Hello everyone, welcome to Groovy Digital Solutions, and guess what? Today we are going to create a Shopify store from scratch. Okay, so let's quickly review. This is the store which we are going to create from start to end. This is a fashion store. It has the main banner on homepage. When you scroll down, there's this hot sellers collection. I have linked hot sellers collection with the women collection, so when you click it, it will open the women collection. You can link any collection you want, or you can link separate products as well from different collections. Then there's this men collection summer 2023. Again, you can link whatever you want in these collections. And when you scroll down, I have linked this new arrivals video, since different brands shoot campaigns before launching the next collection. So, and in footer I have connected different pages like contact us, privacy policy, FAQs, and if your store locations, you can also connect store location page, our mission, and when coming back to main menu, you can see different types of collections like sale, women, and men collection. So that's about it. Let's get started.